Show you how a text to image AI works. Now, the one we are going to use and test for this lesson is DALL-E by OpenAI. And like I said on the audio, the best is best for beginners, super easy. Just type the prompt and the image gets generated. It's good for students because it has clean, intuitive, and is good at understanding creative prompts. So let's jump right in. Let's go to Google and type DALL-E. But first, we'll look at the different text to. We're going to look at the different text to image AI. So let's type text to image AI and press enter. Text to image AI. So we see that what we have. Let's look at it. We have Aureate AI Nano Banner Model Free. We have Use AI is also a text to image creator. We have Deep AI, which is an AI image generator. We also have Canva, very popular too, free AI image generator. We have so many of them. FreePic, also one of my favorites too. I like to use FreePic. So there are many of them that you use for generating AI. But for this lesson, we're going to use DALL-E. DALL-E AI. See, when I just typed DA, it came out. DALL-E AI. You can type it in full. If I select it, okay, you see now it says free DALL-E, but this is by OpenArt. I want to go to the original site. Let me look for DALL-E. Okay, turn text. Okay, you can see it here now. DALL-E free image AI generator powered by DALL-E. So let me right click here, click open it here. Okay, let me close some of these ones here, close some of these ones here, close some of these ones here, close some of these ones here. Okay, so DALL-E here, now you can see it now. So this is where I will type in my prompt. I can log in if I want to, but let me just log in and see whether okay, it asks me for my email address. Let me see. Let me use Google here. I just click my Google. Okay, it should log in direct without any much issues. Okay, it says logged in successful. Beautiful. Then, so this is my prompt here. Now, so what do I do? What do I want to type? I want this, a robot playing basketball in cartoon style. We're going to use that for practice. So I right click it and copy it. That will be my prompt. So you can simply just come here and type it. Click paste here. So you type a robot playing basketball in cartoon style, and you simply click generate. Let's click generate and see it. Oh, okay, it's asking me for subscription. Okay, let me skip that because we're not paying doing subscription now. Let me just go straight. I go back. I can decide not to log in. Let me right click it. Okay, let me not log in. Let me just type it here, paste and see again. Click create. Okay, I came back to the same menu. Okay, still asking me for subscription. Okay, another way I can do that, I can quickly simply just go to ChatGPT because OpenAI and DALL-E is actually integrated in ChatGPT and also a product of OpenAI, which are the same company. So I can simply just go to my ChatGPT here, ChatGPT, okay, and type the same thing, paste, because this is the free tier. And I say a robot playing basketball in cartoon style. I run it. If I run it, it will create the image for me. This is done with ChatGPT alongside DALL-E because they are both integrated. So let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. Okay, let's see. Okay, fine. You can see the robots playing basketball cartoon style. So this is my image. If I want to download it, I simply come here and download it. If I download it, this is it in ChatGPT. If I click open here, if I click open, it opens. So I have the picture generated already. This is my picture. Now we're going to do some modifications to this. Now, what are the modifications based on the lesson? So we're going to improve the prompts because we are learning how to use the AI. So we're going to add details like time of day, color, mood, camera angle. For example, we're going to say a shining silver robot playing basketball. You see the robot playing basketball, but we have said let it be a shining silver robot playing basketball at sunsets, given the time of day, in Pixar style animation. If you know Pixar is the company responsible for most of the animations cartoons you watch. So let me copy this so you can simply type it on your prompt. If I go back to my ChatGPT, which works hand in hand with your DALL-E by OpenAI, I paste it here. So a shining silver robot playing basketball at sunset Pixar style animation. I run it. If I run this, okay. If I run this, what happens here? Let's see how it differs from the previous one. Beautiful. Okay. Now, okay, it's still building the image, creating the image. Okay, you can see beautiful. You can say at sunset, you can see that the background is a sunset background. Okay, and what other things? It's more shiny. Playing basket, Pixar style animation. So this is Pixar style animation. So you see it's different. This is during the day. So you can see the same animation because I changed the prompt. You can see how bright, shiny the legs are. Let's see this. This is not showing that here. So you can see because I improved the prompt, the picture quality became better. Now, how do we really apply this in our everyday work? Now, we can do this. For example, you have a fun challenge which you can do yourself. Say, create the funniest animal superhero. You can do that at your own time. But what we're going to do, we're going to apply this to real life, make this a real life application. For example, for marketing and content creation, design mode, create a simple social media ad. You want to create a social media ad for Facebook, for YouTube, for Instagram or TikTok. What you simply do, you can pick a product. So it depends on the product. Are you into fashion? Are you into restaurants? Are you into sales? Now, this is an example, a lemonade stand, sneaker, school, club, gaming app, any of them you can pick. Write an ad prompt. For example, you said a promotional image for a new strawberry lemonade drink, bright summer colors, modern designs for Facebook ad. So this is what I want to generate. I want to make the AI work for my business. So I copy this now, then I come here and I paste it here. I want to use it now for my business. So a promotional image for a new strawberry lemonade drink, bright summer colors, modern design, Facebook for Facebook ad. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we move on. Let me open another prompt. This one is still copied. Let me open ChatGPT here because it's giving me some responses I do not enjoy now. So let me just paste what I want here. Paste it. Control V. Okay, let me copy it again. Copy. Control C. Copy. Control C. Okay. Come back to my new ChatGPT here. A promotional image for a new strawberry lemonade drink, bright summer colors, modern design. And I click. Okay. Let's see how it generates this image. Okay. So it's creating a handbill or a digital version of promotional material I can use for digital adverts on social media. Let's see what it creates. So it's creating a new strawberry lemonade refreshment. So you can use this. It's a beautiful, you can see this. It's a new strawberry lemonade. You see how beautiful and very attractive it is. It gives you only 2.9, cool and refreshing. So this is for your advert. You can use it for your Facebook, use it for your Instagram, TikTok, or whatever. Now we can improve it. What can we do? Let me see. Okay, let's click generate. Now let's move on. What can we do? We can modify it. We can add some other okay, let me just go back to the booth. We can add our phone numbers. For example, now it has no contact. I can simply say, come here and say add contact, put a number. I can just put any random number, any random number, 091123456. Then put email so that the people can reach us at newstraw@gmail.com. Then I think we're good. We can do this. We can say add contact. So let's see what it does. If I click on this, it's going to add this information to your picture. Let's see what it generates. Okay, it says we need to create a text before we can update this. Yes, promotional image. I've created a document. Somebody may add contact info. Yes, it said is conversation right. Let me just say go ahead, and press enter. Okay, let me say new chat, so for example. Oh, okay, let's repeat that process. Every error gives us an advantage to learn more. Right click copy. Okay, let's run this. Okay, let's run this. We're running the same ad again. Run this again. It creates the image. Yes, because you can actually, okay, the error is actually giving me is because you say you have hit the limit for image creation. It gives you a number of images you can create per day, which I've already done. So that is why it's giving me a kind of restriction concerning the more images I should done. So you say your limit is to reset tomorrow, because I'm working on the free tier. So it gives me, so if I try to add, but it is possible to add, I can just simply say add number. Let me just put any number 901234556, something like that. Let me see if you complain, give me the same complaint. So, but it can, okay, because I have exhausted it, that's why it's giving me this error. But in your own practice, if you type add your email, it will add your contact. But what is important is to show you that your text to image AI can generate the kind of image you are looking for. I hope you have learned something from this. My name remains Vincent Hope, your instructor. Thank you for watching.